We're going to use the apothem formula twice. These are examples. In my first one, I'll use the formula that says A equals 1/2 AP. Now, this length here, that's my apothem, that's little a, and this is P. So all I do is substitute. And it equals 484. That's done. Area is 484. Okay. Over here, though, I have an apothem and I have a side, but I don't know the perimeter, so I've got to calculate that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So my perimeter was going to be 7 times 8, which is 56. So I have to do that extra calculation to get to my perimeter, unlike over on the other first one where we had the perimeter already given to us. But now once I know perimeter, A is equal to 1/2 AP. So I substitute in 1/2, apothem is 8.3, and perimeter is 56, which is equal to 232.4.